I spent over 65 hours testing Constant Contact and these 7 other email marketing tools. So in this Constant Contact review, I'll break down their key features like the landing page builder, email marketing automations, customer support, and their pricing plans. I'll also score Constant Contact out of 5 and give you my personal recommendation so that by the end of this video, you'll know if Constant Contact is the best email marketing provider for you. Ease of use. Constant Contact is generally easy to navigate. The layout makes sense and you can get to most places within a couple of clicks. But I do have to say the design looks a bit outdated and the platform feels a bit laggy with longer page load times. They do have a help button you can click from almost anywhere on the platform, which always comes in handy. Constant Contact's editor is easy to use. Their drag and drop builder comes with standard blocks like buttons and images, but also have more unique items like event and RSVP built in, which is pretty cool. Constant Contact offers over 200 templates that work well on all devices, but to me, most of them look a bit too simple and outdated. You can also upload your own HTML templates and save colors, fonts, and logos in a brand kit for consistent branding. While you can save and reuse templates, you can't do the same for individual content blocks, which would save time when building emails. This is where Constant Contact really struggles. The landing page builder is very basic with no custom templates to get you started. You only have one plain option to get started and their content blocks are limited too. The customization options are pretty restricted and you can't create complex funnels or highly customized designs. For forms, you get options to create pop-up, flyout, banner, and inline forms, but again, there are no templates to start with. Now, even though you can add custom fields, these are limited to text and date fields only. You can't add multiple choice answers or checkboxes, which limits your data collection options. Constant Contact offers little flexibility with forms overall. A/B testing isn't available and the double opt-in is managed at the account level rather than by individual forms. If you want to start your own high converting landing page and email marketing campaign that gets you the leads you need for your business, then you can go here to collect the 8-step guide to creating lead magnets that convert for free. Overall, I give Constant Contact a 3.5 for ease of use. While the email editor is user-friendly, they lost points for outdated interface, laggy performance, and very limited landing page and form builders. Features. Constant Contact offers decent segmentation. They let you combine a wide range of filters like email activities, invoice activities, tags, engagement, and shopping activities. These are quite unique compared to other basic email platforms. But it's just a shame that you can only create one custom segment on their paid light plan, which is not practical. Another big negative with Constant Contact is that they charge you for unsubscribed, deleted, and duplicate contacts, which can really add up over time. If you're on a light plan, automations are very limited. You can only do basic campaigns like welcome emails or simple email opens and clicks. To send any e-commerce related emails and use custom automations, you must be upgraded to their highest tier premium plan. The automations aren't flexible since you can't really combine conditions and actions like you can in many other tools. There are no web tracking, lead scoring, or A/B testing features either. Constant Contact provides you with 58 native integrations with platforms like WordPress, Shopify, and Stripe. There's another 8,000 more available by integrating Zapier, but the downside here is that some integrations will take more work to set up, which can be a bit annoying. Unlike some competitors, Constant Contact doesn't offer built-in tools for selling digital products or creating paid newsletters. You'll need to rely on third-party integrations for e-commerce functionalities. They do have some basic e-commerce features for online stores, but it's not their main focus. Deliverability rate is not an issue for Constant Contact. They have a 92% score, which is up there with the very best, so you don't have to worry about your emails getting stuck in spam folders. Apart from the standard open and click report, you get bounce, spam, and unsubscribe rates. There are more useful and more unique items like bot clicks removed and desktop or mobile opens. They also have a heat map feature, but you'll need to upgrade to premium to use this feature. Overall, I give Constant Contact a 3 for features. They have good integrations and decent reporting, but they lose points for limited automation capabilities, restrictive segmentation on lower plans, and the lack of built-in monetization tools. And if you want to get started and test this out for yourself, you can click on the link in the description of this video or type in this link where you'll be able to get a 14-day free trial with Constant Contact and my special discount if you continue to use them. Customer support. Constant Contact doesn't offer hands-on migration support. They position themselves as a self-serve platform instead. While their customer success team can guide you through the process, you'll have to do the heavy lifting yourself, importing contacts, recreating automations, and all that. Constant Contact has a solid 4 rating with over 1,000 reviews, which is a decent score overall. However, the main complaints that keeps coming up is about their pricing policy. Users are really unhappy about being charged for unsubscribed, deleted, or duplicate contacts. They were also frustrated about having to actually call customer support when they wanted to cancel their plan, so I suggest you keep these money-related issues in mind. Constant Contact offers several support channels, including email, live chat, phone support, a knowledge base, and community-based support. However, chat and phone support are not available 24/7, which was frustrating when I needed urgent help. When I was able to finally reach chat support, they were responsive and helpful. The other annoying thing, as I mentioned before, is that you need to call and speak to their team in order to cancel your subscription. You can't do it online, which is very strange and feels like they're trying to make it harder for you to leave. Overall, I give Constant Contact customer support a 3. They offer multiple support channels and can be helpful when available, but not providing migration service along with the inconsistent support availability and requirement to call for cancellation are big negatives I can't ignore. Pricing. This is where Constant Contact really struggles. While they offer a free trial, there's no permanent free plan like many competitors offer. The Lite plan starts at $12 per month for 500 contacts, but is very limited. You only get one custom segment and basic automation features. The standard plan starts at $35 per month and the premium plan jumps all the way to $80 per month. As your list grows, prices increase dramatically. For 5,000 contacts, you'll pay $110 per month on the standard plan and can go up to $460 for 50,000 contacts. The biggest issue though is that you're always charged for the highest number of contacts you've ever had, even if you deleted thousands of contacts already. Compared to a lot of their competitors, Constant Contact is a lot more expensive, especially when you factored in the limited features on lower tiered plans. Overall, I give Constant Contact a 2 for pricing. The lack of a free plan, expensive pricing, and charging for deleted contacts make it very poor value compared to other alternatives. Overall, I score Constant Contact a 3 out of 5. While Constant Contact has been around for a long time and offers solid integrations, it's no longer competitive in today's market. The outdated interface, limited automations, restrictive lower tier plans, and expensive pricing make it hard to recommend. So if you want my best recommendations, then check out this video here. But if you're ready to get started with Constant Contact, then watch this full Constant Contact tutorial next.